What's up, guys? Right here I'm gonna show y'all a little unboxing video of some parts I got for the SS. Well, basically I already opened the boxes, check it to see if everything was fine, if everything was there. And this is the box where my turbo came in, so that was inside there. I already took it out. And right here I got the ZZP blow off valve, and let me go ahead and show y'all what's inside the box. Got the manual, the order paper. I know there's some gaskets in there for the turbo, and here's the blow off valve. The order sheet. Much better. Here we got a clamp. We got a gasket. And they sent me this. And it has 3M tape in the back. ZZP performance for the win. And here we got the blow off valve. Check it out, guys. That's what the ZZP 50mm blow off valve looks like. I wanted to get the HKS blow off valve just because I love the way it sounds. My buddy had it. Sounded beautiful, but that thing was like $265 plus shipping. So I was like, nah, that's a lot of money for right now. I just got this one. I saw good reviews. This one was like $92 shipped, so you can't go wrong with that. And plus I had good reviews, so I'll save some money there. But yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all the turbo. It's kind of heavy. Kind of heavy, guys. And right here we got the borgwarner s257. I ordered it on ZZP as well. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Check it out. Kind of hard recording with one hand. GP. And then the T3 mount. But yeah, guys, I'm piecing out my turbo kit part by part by part. I couldn't afford it to buy it as a kit. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. Still gotta get the intercooler pipes, the intercooler, the wastegate, you know, some other parts, a lot of parts actually. But this is one of the biggest parts that I needed. The S257. Piecing it out slowly. I ain't in a rush, but you know, I do want to go turbo soon. But thanks for watching.